Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a grocery haul. I went to Walmart, Dollar General, and I also got a new faucet from Home Depot, and I'm going to show that to you. So, I hear my child out there hollering. I don't know what she's hollering. Oh, she's cleaning up dog poop. Anyways, we're going to flip around and I'm going to show you everything that we got today. Okay, y'all, the first thing we got is a new faucet. My faucet is... It's bad right now. It's been messed up. So anyways, actually I have dirty dishes. That's what my faucet, and it's getting worse and worse. We're just buying a new one. Okay, so almost everything, yeah, everything over here was from Walmart. So we've got a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes. I also have one of these steaming bag baby red potatoes. I just thought I would use them for a side. For the kids, I got one of these 10 packs of the original Fruit Smiles and then a 10 pack of the tangy ones. They're the Fruit Chews. And they love fruit roll-ups. So I just got a 10 pack. It's probably going to be gone like in 10 minutes. No. We got a package, a 10 count package of the Homestyle flour tortillas. I love this. I used to do the Stokes coffee, but I've started drinking the unsweet. And I like this unsweet. The medium roast unsweet from Starbucks iced coffee. I like this better than the Stokes unsweet. I don't know. This is my opinion. And then we always use the French vanilla coffee mate creamer. We always buy the big one. I've got some sour cream. And me and Courtney have been on a pickle kick. This will be our third jar probably in the last...
This week.
Yeah, this week. So, but we love pickles. We've got some blueberry Eggo waffles. And then for the produce, I've got 2 avocados. I think I got 6 Roma tomatoes. Some cilantro. I've got like 4 jalapeno peppers. Some green onions. And then a thing of romaine lettuce. And some bananas. And I have a couple of recipes I'm going to do this week. And... I'm going to make one, I'm going to be baking, and we're going to use dark chocolate chips and walnuts. And then the kids all like these little donuts sometime in the morning. Adrian likes the chocolate. Courtney likes the powdered white ones, and Bryce likes the powdered cinnamon sugar, which always makes me think of my mama because these were her favorite. A non-food item, I needed more of these toilet wand refills. And then we got a bag of mozzarella cheese, a bag of Colby Jack, and a bag of medium cheddar. And I've got these old-fashioned oats. That's going to be part of my recipe I'm going to be baking, and I will share that. I got a 4-pack of vanilla pudding. I got some salt pork because I'm going to make beans one day this week, and I always like to put that in it. We got a 4-pound package of sugar. They're over here, my niece and Courtney whispering. And then I'm trying to cut out eating so much fattening stuff. So I found these sugar-free Russell Stover coconut chocolate things. And then I've already tried these and I like them. They're the Hershey's Special Dark Zero Sugar, and they're pretty good. And I'm going to try this Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream on my hair. I got a new sticker book for my planner. And then I got this cute little towel. I already have one right here. And I thought this one kind of matched. It was cute. And some bread. Let's go over here. We got some buttermilk, pancake, and waffle mix. And I finally got some Paneer Pasta. It's actually in a bag now. It used to be in a box, but that's pretty cool. And then this was from Dollar General. We've started buying this French vanilla, and they had a coupon, so I got that. The French vanilla coffee. I got a package of chicken gravy and Zesty Italian mix. This is going to be for a recipe. Adrian loves these pecan swirls. And then we also got some Nutty Buddies Chips Ahoy's. And then my husband loves orange Gatorade, and he likes to take these when he's working. So I got 10 of those. We got these at Dollar General. Our Dollar General, you buy 4 and you get 1 free. So I got 5. I got 10. And then I also got a jar of Prego Traditional from Dollar General because I'm making a recipe tonight, and all I have are the really big jars, and I didn't... It's not spaghetti, but it does use spaghetti sauce. Courtney doesn't want spaghetti. It has spaghetti sauce and Alfredo sauce. Anyways, and I got these Cheddar Bay Biscuits, which I might make tonight to go with our supper, and I will film that. It'll be on Friday's What's for Dinner. I got some Scott's paper towels. I got those from Dollar General also. And then I actually bought some meat from Walmart. I got these boneless pork ribs. I got 3 packages of those. And this, I'm going to make a crock pot meal this week with those. So, hey y'all, I wanted to really quickly share with y'all a security camera that was sent to me by K&F Concepts. It is powered nonstop by a solar panel. You can pan, tilt, and zoom with it. It has 2 modes of night vision. And you also, it's controlled by an app, which I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do with it. It's waterproof. I really love this because we live out in the country and there are plenty of times at night when the dog is barking and I want to know like what is going on out here. I can quickly just grab my phone and open up the camera. I can spin it around and pan it, and I found out today when I was getting ready to do this video that I can actually zoom in with this. I had no idea I could do that. And I was even telling my husband, the only thing I wish it could do is zoom. I wish that was one more feature. And there it was. I can zoom with it. Okay, y'all, the name of the app is called Cloud Edge. And you open it up and you can go right into the live mode. And right now, this is what it looks like outside at my house. And I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see a little better. But you can open it up to where you can start panning it around and seeing different parts of the yard. We have ours attached to the front of our house. So that is what I'm doing now, is just kind of zooming around or panning around, and you can see there's my little Stormy all. I went to try to talk to her for y'all, but for some reason it did not record me on my phone talking to her, but you can talk to people and you can hear them respond back to you also. On this next part, I go to the history and you can open up alerts and it will tell you anytime that motion was detected. You can see the kids this morning leaving for school. I have mine set up. It records for like up to 30 seconds every time that motion is detected. So I really like this. Every time someone goes out the door, it goes off. And you can set it up to where it doesn't alert you as much. And you can see here under messages, it shows me every time that there was an alert and I can see a photo. This right here was where I went outside to film and show y'all what it looks like outside. And I can go into the history and then bring up that alert and it will show me where it recorded that. And there you go. There I am filming. And so if I went into this live, like as soon as I got the alert, I could actually be watching the person. I could start talking to the person. So this is really cool. I like it, especially like I said, since we live in the country and I don't always have to go outside now if there's a sound. I can look at this camera and zoom around and see what's going on. So for this app and for this product, I am very pleased with it. I would recommend it. I wouldn't mind getting another one to put around the back of the house even. But yeah, it's really cool, y'all. And it does have a night mode. I'm going in here in just a second trying to pull all this up really quickly and show you. But in the night mode, there's night vision. And you can see really good outside at night. These are some of the pictures that it took. And then even the videos at night. It's really cool. I really, really do recommend this camera. Okay, the next couple of clips that you're going to see are of the camera outside of our house. Ignore the house. We need to clean it outside. That's my plan for next week. But anyways, we have the camera right out here in front of the house. And then we have the cord going up to this solar panel on the roof. And I did not realize how shaky I was being, but we have it where it gets the most sunlight. But you could also mount the camera out. It doesn't have to be covered because it is waterproof. I think that is all. That's everything. So I just wanted to share that quick little grocery haul. I'll see y'all on Friday for another What's for Dinner. Thank y'all.